Hello there, today I show you my Painterly Matrimony Action photo effect, how to use it and custom it. There is previously apply some result. You can see this script work in half area, like the middle center area, and now see it the full area. It's work full area, and background replace automatically background color, or you can change the color. See, the looking is very nice and advanced formula. This is the photo effect looking. See, it's a digital painting look and watercolor painting look, and background make a watercolor painting in replace background. In your background replace the watercolor painting. See the portrait looking style, or you can control the color grading. See the yellow color replace perfectly the side, and black color replace is auto replace. And this is the original photo direct masking, like a brush the point focusing this one, and this is the looking. See the photo painting looking is perfect, and it's work any high resolution image, so it's very user friendly. And our hidden formula, see the looking. And another looking is set any type of image perfectly. See the dog painting, and you can change the color. See the looking. The photo is very nicely painted. Just simply normal way printing the portrait, not full area. This is the only focus point area. Okay, now I try to this image first, then I show you another image. First go my download file, and there is show brush file and help file. You can check out our help file. There is some size and our supporting information include, and how to use written format include. You can check out it. And this is the brush action and pattern. You need to load the brush pattern, then load the action. And our supporting line, we have a live support for our customer if our customer need any kind of help. So now load the brush, select and double click is loaded, or you can load manually. Go in your Photoshop and go window and the brush option click. Now you can load this mode option and include brush. Find out the brush, my folder, download folder, main file. Select and load button click. Now it's loaded, and go window, pattern need to load, pattern option click this option, input pattern selection, and go my download file, select the pattern, only show the pattern, and load button click. Select and load button click. It's loaded. Now it says it's loaded. You can input pattern. Now you can select and load button click. If I select any pattern and load this, it's not working. Okay, close it and go window, action option click. Now action option show maybe the right side any of area. Now I have settled it the left side, better understanding purpose. Now go the load option button and the main file, and select the action, load button click. Now it's loaded, up and down option. This is the folder, this is the script. Okay, and now layer option if not show, then click the layer option and open a photo. You can open any type of photo, but this time I have this photo, and I show you another photo. And make sure your photo is a high resolution image and good quality photo. It's work any high resolution image. And I show you the how to use and how to custom and advanced tricks. Quick selection tool, select, but make sure your photo is a lock icon show, and background name is background, and background layer is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format. That is not accept the action make the error result, so you need to fix it. Right button click the layer option and fit in the option click. Now it's set a background layer, lock background layer, and make sure panel option click this option. Panel option is smaller enter all document enter option select and all as it is my setting, and make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, then go image mode to click there. RGB color is set automatically RGB color. If shown images, click the OK button. Now select the quick selection tool and select subject button, click. Now is select automatically. You can use any of tool, pen tool, brush tool or any other tool, but make sure if you use the pen tool, then you need to delete path, then apply the action, otherwise action make the error result. So now I have selection is perfect, and then create a new layer and double click the new layer text option and type there BRUSS. Brush same my spelling as it is, spelling BRUSS brush. All are lowercase letter, do not include any uppercase or lowercase mix up letter, only lowercase, and same as it is spelling, do not include space, hyphen, comma or others. You can use the brush tool and brushing the area in brush layer, or you can use the pen bucket tool. So I need to fix the full of area, so I try to full of area brush. Selection mode is on, and if the selection mode is on, you do not play the script because of the selection mode on, and it's make the error result. So you need to deselect first, selection and deselect. Now is deselect, and still if you need any of area brushing, and make sure you select the brush layer and brush the area which area you need to brush, and mistake our selection. So normally just brush. Okay, and now it's set, and I have check out the size is okay, perfect, but this time I have used 4500 pixel. You can use any high resolution, and if your photo is not enough space, you can make the first space. Selection and brush tool, move tool, and now all in on action. Just hit the play button and wait and see is working, and I show you another photo how is work if not the enough space. So wait and see. If this script is finished, then I will show you this. Okay, and now I will show you the something new, our site, introducing our site photoshopaction.net. This is our on site. You can purchase there the flash sale option going on. This is the home page. You can find out popular file, and our flash sale file is there, the option flash sale option. Just click there, and our all of product and other authors product is there. You can purchase the low price. See, is only 1.8 regular price, and see all product are available there in flash sale section in limited time. And also you can buy our bundle product. See, the bundle product is available, bundle option, and our Photoshop action, you can access Photoshop action there, and item, all item, popular item and new release item, and you can use the search tool, our available, our all bundle there. See, and also free file available. You can download the free file. See, check out the home page, and 80% discount going on. And also you can buy this product is available in our on site, and just check out the flash section. And always you can shop our shop in Creative Market, MRI Studio. Also you can shopping creative in Bato Market, in MRI Cocon, and K Design House. See, are all product. So this is our on site, so you can purchase there, and I will try to best support me and best offer for you. Okay, now I back my option. This is the stop message finishing result. Hello there, action is done working. So good. This is the default working setup, and is very nice. I think is perfect. If you think you can change the effect looking, and there I have include some of effect. See the effect looking, and you can check out another one, and check out another one, and check out another one. So this is the regular option, and this is the another painting looking style. So this time I have like to default painting style, And if you want to the background color change your photo, is very easy. Just a color changer I have use double click this option, and you can change it, move it, and it's automatically change the overall color. And uncheck this one and use this one. This is another multicolor option, color change. See, you can change the multicolor option, but I have unchecked this one. I just show you. And this is the extra color option. This is the extra color added, and also you can use the another color added, more colorful needed. And I have hide this one and use this one. This is the faded option and another faded. And you can adjustment, you can use the adjustment, double click this adjustment, and you can make the adjustment and change it. See the effect looking more lighting. I think is not bad. So nice option. And use this color option, and there is the more color option. You can check out all color option. I need to show another photo work, how it's work. This is the background color change. Or if you want to remove the paper, see the paper, so just go the top option and uncheck the paper. Now paper is unchecked, or you need to do not like a full of area effect. So I have unchecked the paper, the top two, or you need to view this. You can view this, and you can view another paper. You can use the another paper and lace it. The control C, the paper is nice looking. Okay, now I show you another tricks. If you don't like the full of area, you just uncheck this option, and see now is portrait looking style. So, and need to PNG transparent, do not need the background. So firstly you uncheck your top paper option too, make sure, and go back the background color, and all three background uncheck, and last one the background uncheck. And see, this is the transparent option. Now you can check the transparent export and export a quick export PNG. Now save it PNG very easily. Okay, I show you the another photo. If your photo is not enough space for left side or top side, so see, this is the photo, and this photo is not enough size, so I have clicked the crop tool and make the crop tool upper and left side, and I do not think it is need to more left side. Okay, now I have select the use tool and make sure your photo is a lock icon, show lock background layer. Okay, same way, if the photo layer 0 PNG transparent, layer 0 font, you need to fix it fit in option. Now you set a fit in option, and now you select the brush tool and soft brush. This is soft brush, general brush, or I have include this brush, the bottom option. You can pick the color last option. I just remove the border option. See, just do not need experience the border option. Pick the color in color picker like this one, and border option. Okay, and now you can quick selection tool, select and select subject button, click. Now you show select subject button, and I make the selection correction. Okay, I think correction is done. Okay, now create a new layer and double click new layer, text option, type there brush, BRUSH brush, and I have any light color and fill the color, deselection, and I have hit the play button. Now start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. If you need any kind of help, we can always send a message, our email and our WhatsApp number we reply fast, and our email or our Facebook fan page, you can join there, our update news, and like, subscribe our channel for our upcoming file tutorial and free file tutorial. We have given some of premium file for free, and we release this channel, so follow and subscribe. See, they are looking now full of area work it, and if you need uncheck, so uncheck, this is the half area, so it's very easy. And another uncheck, this is the little show, and this is the folder. You can work there, see the color, or you can select your own color. See, okay. Thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of sale, you can message me and purchase our product in our site photoshopaction.net.